I am the Frugal Gardener, and today is Harvest Day. Well, maybe mini Harvest Day. These are purple Japanese Daikon radishes I planted about 2 months ago, and they're in a grow bag, which kind of surprised me a little because I didn't think it was going to slope this much down towards the hill. I might have to consider reinforcing this or either relocating it, which would require me to empty most, if not all, the soil out of it. So the harvest, as you can see, is a mixed bag, pun intended. Some of these came out, I wouldn't say tiny, but small, but some came out a decent size. This is a little one. I like the color on these. That's one of the reasons why I grew these. Another is because, oh, this is a decent sized one. The Frugal daughter loves these, and she was just here. We kept saying we were going to harvest these, but we didn't get around to it. There's a dud. Here's a little small one. But some of these, like this bad boy here, came out to be a decent size. So, like I said, small ones, medium ones, jumbo. This is a nice one. They all have to go because it is early September and I am late as usual. I'm late with my fall planting and I need this space. This is what we have so far. This one is kind of medium. I need this space for part of my fall garden. A little puny one here. And just one or two more to go. I'll take these and put them aside for the Frugal daughter. That's it. Didn't take long. I have a couple of things to harvest. Some carrots on the other end and a few potatoes. Things are finally starting to come together, slowly but surely. I did a video earlier of some of the things that are going on in the garden. Finally getting some action, making some progress. Things are growing. This is to attract the birds, and the birds eat the bad bugs. We talked about that before, but this is it for now. Real quick, short video. Thank you guys for taking some time out of your day to hang with me for a few minutes. Please continue to watch my videos, share and like. Catch you on the next go around. Enjoy your day.